Get ready to discover the endless possibilities that 3D printing offers, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a curious newcomer. From simple, functional mugs and organizers to engaging toys and educational models that make learning real, this technology is about to change the game. The excitement doesn't stop there. At the end of this video, we have a special surprise in store that's sure to leave you breathless. Get ready to introduce a game-changing 3D printer that will redefine the way you approach design and customization. The excitement doesn't stop there. At the end of this video, we have a special surprise in store that's sure to leave you breathless. Get ready to introduce a game-changing 3D printer that will redefine the way you approach design and customization. I recommend starting with a few specific categories and topics that are particularly suitable for those new to the craft. Here are a few suggestions. Homeware, coasters, vases and planters, trays and organizers, hooks and clips, phone holders and stands. These types of practical, everyday items are often simple to design and print, allowing you to get a feel for the 3D printing process without tackling overly complex projects. Toys, chess or checkers, puzzle pieces, fidget toy spinners, cubes, etc., miniature figurines, and simple toys. Printing your own toys and game pieces is a great way to combine creativity with function. They also make great gifts for friends and family. Customizable accessories, keychains and bag tags, personalized phone cases, personalized jewelry, such as pendants or earrings, monogrammed items, such as coasters or wall decor. These projects allow you to add a personal touch and showcase your unique style. They are also relatively easy to design and print. Educational models, anatomical models, bones, organs, etc., geometric shapes and structures, science and math educational tools. These types of educational models can be useful and fun to print, especially for those with a curious mind or a passion for STEM subjects. When starting out, I recommend focusing on these categories and topics as they tend to be beginner-friendly in terms of design complexity and printing requirements. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the process. Remember, the beauty of 3D printing is that you can always find new and exciting projects to tackle as your skills and confidence grow. Happy printing! Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and get ready to embark on a journey of endless possibilities. The future is here, and it's yours to create. Remember, as you embark on your 3D printing journey, it's perfectly fine to start with free or low-cost 3D models. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more 3D printing tips and inspiration that will take your creations to new heights. Happy printing! So, what are you waiting? Dive headfirst into the world of 3D printing and see how it can transform your life. Don't forget to check out the amazing 3D printer and accessories in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tutorials. The future is in your hands, my friends. Let's get started and unlock the extraordinary together.